Hot news: lawyer no proof nurse raped Arizona patient who had baby. Phoenix. One nurse, who was supposed to be looking after an incapacitated woman at a long-term health care facility, was charged on January 23, with raping her, weeks after she stunned her caregivers and family by giving birth to a baby boy. Nathan Sutherland, a licensed practical nurse, has been with 1 count of sexual assault and 1 count of vulnerable adult abuse, according to court records. We owed this arrest to the victim. We owed this arrest. The surprise birth late last month triggered reviews by state agencies, highlighted safety concerns for patients who are severely disabled or incapacitated, and led to disciplinary actions and resignations of staffers and managers. It also prompted Sutherland, 36, submitted his DNA sample under court order Tuesday, and the results came back a few hours later, showing he was a match to the baby. He declined to speak. Sutherland appeared in court Wednesday but did not enter a plea. A Maricopa defense attorney, David Gregan, had asked for a lower bond on the grounds that Sutherland didn't have a criminal record. He described his, "There's no direct evidence that Mr. Sutherland has committed these acts," Gregan said. "I know at this point." Gregan did not immediately return a message seeking comment. Investigators found that Sutherland had treated the victim and spent a lot of time with her, according to a probable cause statement. Investigators, a former neighbor, Ella Burr, said she lived next to Sutherland, his wife, and 4 children for more than 5 years. She often saw the. "I can't believe it," Burr said. "He told me he was." Court records indicate his wife filed for divorce 7 weeks ago. A message left at wife of Hacienda Healthcare rape suspect filed for divorce before victim gave birth. U.S. Family 3 TV CBS 5 at As Family. Hacienda officials fired Sutherland after learning of his arrest. The company said it, "Once again, we offer an apology and send our deepest sympathies to the client and her family, to the community, and to our agency partners at every level," Hacienda said in a statement. The 29-year-old victim has been in long-term care since age 3 and gave birth at the facility on December 29. Employees said that the case has prompted the departure or discipline of key figures at Hacienda Healthcare, including the CEO. The provider says earlier stories had described the patient as being comatose or in a vegetative state. But her parents they described her as intellectually disabled because of seizures in early childhood. While she doesn't, the family's attorney, John Mitch AELs, said in a statement that they knew about the arrest but did not want to comment. Thompson said he believes the baby has since been released from the hospital. The Woman's Family, by Terry Tang.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.